Today we will learn how to find prime factorization of 54 by factor tree method. Before solving it, please go through the rules. Try dividing 54 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 54 exactly, we get 27. Observe, 2 is prime. So, this branch ends here. Now, try dividing 27 by the smallest prime 2. 2 does not divide 27 exactly. So, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 27 exactly, we get 9. Observe, 3 is prime. So, this branch ends here. Next, try dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. 2 does not divide 9 exactly. So, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3 again. Observe, both 3's are prime. So, these branches end here. Finally, collect all the prime numbers at the ends of the factor tree. These are the prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 3, 3 and 3. Got it? Therefore, prime factorization of 54 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.